Okay, so good evening, students. So, students, we have completed two sessions of revision of this chapter. First session, I have revised the entire concepts plus some of the repetitive questions from this chapter. Okay, believe me, there are some repetitive questions from this chapter which you can also again see in the final paper. Okay, so I have checked the sample paper previous year questions. The one or two questions are repetitive, like the quadrilateral circumscribe. There are some questions repetitive. Again, I'm asking you all the subjects, in all the chapters, you definitely try for the good questions, but again, don't overlook the easy one and the repetitive one. They will always be in the paper, because the same paper is to be given by all the students, even the students who are residing in the area where the schooling advantages are not there, where the schoolings are not so good, but they need to also clear the paper. So that's the reason, student, there will be some repetitive questions, there will be some easy questions. Don't overlook them. Okay, yeah. So in this chapter we have taken two sessions. First session I have taken complete revision and repetitive questions. Second question, yesterday we have done the previous year questions. Okay, so today with the concepts, let us see whether we are able to do the CBSE board paper or not. Okay, including some of the good questions from the other sample papers also will be doing. Okay, let me give you a quick recap. Okay, so I'll not give all the quick recap, but what I said is every question you should think in this manner. If you are not thinking in this manner, means you may get the answer. It may take more time. You may get the wrong answer. If you are following this trick, definitely you will be approaching towards the right direction. What is the trick? Let be question be whatever. 10.1 first, 10.2 second. After you doing this, if you are able to see any triangle or quadrilateral, check again the properties inside triangle, something like isosceles property, angle sum property, or congruency property. If at all you are feeling quadrilateral, check angle sum property like this. If at all after applying these two, you are not able to see any triangle, do the extra construction. You see, I was not I'm not applied 10.1 10.2, so I did not see any triangle. So do some extra constructions like this. So joining the radius is an extra construction. Joining the common point is extra. Now you are able to see two triangles. Then again you can use the congruency principle. Okay, student. This is what I have said from the last 2 days. But I am sure again students will be doing this mistake, because I have seen students. I don't know why this is what the particular thing. Soon they are looking at the question. In spite of thinking 10.1, they are directly jumping here. Again, I am saying most of the question will end here. 10.1, 10.2, your answer is finished. If you are by looking the question, if you are jumping here, means you will again come back. I'm sure that you will come back here. You will get the answer. But in spite of that, please again, I'm repeating, apply this particular trick. Okay. Okay, with that, let us start today's session. So again, so you can see, student, as I have given, this chapter is coming for 7 marks. How is 7 marks distributed? MCQ 2, so 2 marks. Okay, short, very short answer. One question, 2 marks. Short answer, one question, one question, 3 marks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Generally, I have seen this particular trend from this chapter. 7 marks. Okay. So you can expect again in the board paper also two MCQs, one very short answer, one short answer. Okay. You will not find that long answer or case based question from this chapter. Okay. Areas of circle you may find it. Case based question 100% you will not get. And long answer also you will not get. You will only get these type of questions. Okay, students? Okay, with that, let us start some CBSE paper, whether you are able to do or not, cross check yourself. Maths, revision, maths. So let me stop sharing. Again, my system will be hang. Practice sheets 2006 standard CBSE sample paper. Okay, okay. This is what the CBSE sample paper is. Okay, okay. So let me take only those questions. Yes, first question is here. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe the circle. So quadrilateral can be anything, student. Something like this. Quadrilateral can be anything, square, rectangle, or the quadrilateral itself. There is no shape also. A, B, C, D. Circumcision. BC is 7, CD is 4, AD is 3, AB how much? Okay, so this is 1 mark. If you remember we have done this question. If you remember the answer, wonderful. If you don't remember, try to do it again, give the answer. We have done this question as a 3 mark, but he is asking for the 1 mark. Huh? Again, don't think complex things. Please follow the template. That's all. Please follow the template. Again, I'm repeating. Harshini, right answer. Tanish, right answer. We have done this question for 3 marks. Narendran, right answer. Okay, so let me show the 3 mark question. Okay, so student, this is what we have done. Okay, right answer, student. Rujita, right answer. Okay, so you see, this is what the same question, quadrilateral circle. How did we do? So we have taken, okay, let me give 1 minute. Huh? Sir, 10.1 is not applicable. Why? Because radius is not run, but 10.2 applicable. AP, AS, BP, BQ, DR, DS. Okay, and CR, CQ. Okay. So you just start with the left hand side AB plus CD. AB is what is AB? AB is nothing but AP plus PB. What is CD? CD is nothing but CR plus RD. Okay, that's all student finished. Okay, then what? Sir, what is AP black color? AS. What is PB red color? QB. What is CR blue color? TQ. What is RD green color? DS. Now again you see AS plus DS. AS plus DS is nothing but AD plus QB plus CQ. QB plus CQ is nothing but CB. That's all. AB plus ZD we have started. We got okay. So what you need to remember? Opposite sides if you add, the sum of opposite lengths are equal whenever in a quadrilateral circle is circumscribed. The sum of opposite sides are equal. Okay, this you add sum equal to the other opposite sides. Sum of opposite sides are equal in the quadrilateral circumscribed by circle. Okay, if you remember this, that was very easy question. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, 6 centimeters. 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus x. So 3 plus 7 equal to 4 plus x. X equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, okay, student, that's fine. So we have finished this. Next question. Let me check. Around area, probability points, median length of the time. Yeah. 18th question. 18th question on the screen. Please apply 10.1, 10.2. Again, any triangular quadrilateral, this should be your pattern. If you're not doing it, means you may get answer wrong or you may get it late. Harshini, right answer. Harshini, where were you yesterday, beta? We have done previous year questions. Good questions we have done.
Sir, I forgot to message. Sorry. I went to write an entrance test.
Okay, which college?
Residence College.
Resonance. Okay. So Resonance, that fellow last year he has started intermediate. This year he has started 10th class also. And that too, he has almost started 50 schools at a time in Hyderabad. So you can see how much business angle they are in. 50 schools. Starting one school in Hyderabad will cost you around 3 crores or 4 crores. 50 schools means almost 200 crores or 100 crores.
I wrote for college, sir. It was there for some years.
In Hyderabad also it was there.
Yes, sir, the college has been there for quite some time.
But I still see from the last 2 years the name I am able to see resonance. Before that, I don't see that resonance name at all. And student resonance, what I understood is they are from this area, I guess. Kota, I guess. They are from Kota.
Yes, sir, quotas.
They are from Kota. Yes, Rujuta, right. Tanushri, no. Okay, Maya, right answer. Okay, yeah, the length of the tangent drawn to the circle of radius 9 centimeters. There is a circle, there is a radius 9 beta. From a point of a distance. You see here the English is little tricky. The length of the tangent drawn to the circle. So there is a point. This is the length of a tangent. Now you should see easy giving length. The length of tangent drawn to the circle of radius 9 centimeter from a point at a distance 41 centimeter from the center. So that fellow has given from the center. He has given this point as 41 beta. A little tricky here. Okay. P A. Okay. Now he's asking the length of tangent is, means he's asking PA. Whatever he asks, you only need to know 10.1. That's all. 10.2 is not applicable. Only one tangent. Right angle triangle 41 square equal to 9 square plus x square. Please solve x. You will get 40 centimeters. Okay. Tanushri, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so some students might have taken this as 41. You see, some English little tricky has used. So he has given from center to the point as 41. Okay, okay. So you see, two MCQs we finished. Huh? Now we should go for 2 marks question if at all it is. Yeah, 2 mark question on the screen. 2 mark question on the screen. Read carefully. Try to give the answer. ABC is drawn to circumscribe the circle of radius 4. So please place radius 4. So this will be the radius from center. This will be radius 4. This will be radius 4. And BD and DC. BD and DC are lengths 10 and 8. BD is 10. CD is 8. Did I start recording? Okay, good. Okay, 8. So I'm not confused. It's 8. Find the length of sides AB. So he's asking you this is green color length and AC. Let me take yellow color. Not yellow color. So asking green and yellow color length, student. So there are few things before you finalizing the colleges. Okay. So what I'm not perfect to analyze it, but what I have seen is there are many centers for the college. Okay, like you see Resonance also Kukatpalli, Suchitra, Balanagar, many center. Balanagar you don't have, guess, many centers. So you confirm at which center the faculty is good. So try to join that particular center and also take assurance that this faculty is going to be complete up to 2 years. Now you need to go for IIT and NEET, right? So ensure that this particular faculty, whoever is there, that they will be in up to 2 years. So many complaints I see from the parents. So we have joined this particular coaching center or the institute, but the total faculty has changed. Now the faculty is good in Bangalore or some other place in Hyderabad. So don't do that. Okay. So take some assurance from that particular faculties or the management team. Okay, so students who are not using 10.1, 10.2, I'm sorry for that. You need to use that first. Okay, so 10.1, radius, tangent 90, radius, tangent 90, radius, tangent 90. First theorem 10.1. Then 10.2, 10.2 you can see, sir, this is 10, so this will be 10. This is 8, this will be 8. I don't know this, so I'm assuming this is x, this is x. So up to here, everybody should do. Very good, Harshni. Absolutely right answer. Narendra, no student. Okay, so this is up to do. After coming here, what you need to do? Read the question again. Find the lengths. Okay, so now he has given total. Okay, no, Narendra, you are very near, but not exactly. Okay, Harshini, same student. How did you proceed after doing 10.1 and 10.2?
So they gave us the total triangle area.
Okay. Big triangle they have given. Area of triangle ABC they have given.
So I just found S in the first place.
As a semi-perimeter you found.
Yeah, like they already gave the area, so I used the another method, sir.
Acha. So you used again that Heron's formula.
No, sir. So the area of a triangle in terms of radius and semi-perimeter, there's a formula called R into S for area. So I used it and found S.
Okay, so here he has given 90, R equal to 4, S equal to 90 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 22.5 you got.
Yes, sir.
Then,
So then I used so AF is equal to A is equal to X. After writing that, AB is equal to AE plus EB is equal to X plus 10. I used like that to make the equations.
okay,
For all the sides AB, AC, and BC will get in terms of X, and
X.
for
Okay,
BC we already have.
okay, good.
Then I used for semi-perimeter. Instead of using the small triangles area, I used semi-perimeter.
Oh, okay, that way is also right. Any better idea, students? We have done this question again. I'm repeating. We have done this question. Maya, no, wrong student.
So we can also find the small triangles area and equate it.
Exactly. You see, student, we have done this. So we have used Heron's formula when big triangle area is not given. But why to use Heron's formula when big triangle area is given? So please use that formula. Area of big triangle ABC is nothing but the small triangle. You see, BOC is a small triangle. Area of triangle BOC plus another triangle, green color triangle AOB. AOB, area of triangle AOB plus, let me take the yellow color triangle AOC. That's all, student. AOC. Big triangle is given as 90. Small triangle BOC, you all know the area of triangle formula, half into base. Base कितना है बेटा? 10 plus 8, 18. And height कितना है? Height is 4 plus area of triangle AOB, green color, half into base. Base I don't know. Base is 10 plus x. And height is again 4. You see 10.1 I'm taking help. Plus area of triangle AOC, AOC half into base 8 plus x into height is again 4. You see one equation, one unknown. You can solve it. Try to solve now. Yes, Rujita, any other idea? You are asking something, student, Rujita?
Yes, sir. I tried with like R is equal to A plus B minus C by 2.
So why you want that? So that is only for right angle triangle.
Oh,
Okay, that is only
okay.
for right angle triangle.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sir, I directly equated S is equal to AB plus AC plus BC by 2.
Yeah, that formula all you can do it. But I just want to give one particular pattern. Huh? I have not given to the students that formula, whatever you are saying, but I have made it in slide. I don't know whether the students have watched it or not. Second student. This one, Harshini, this one you're saying?
Yes, sir. Actually, I saw it from here only.
So you saw it from here. Look.
Yes, sir. When you sent the notes, I saw it.
Oh. Okay, Narendran, right answer. Rujuta, no, wrong answer, student. You are missing some decimals. Tanish, yes, right answer, Tanish. Okay, so students, now that's up to you. Okay, you can find it. Okay, so you will get something like x equal to 4.5. But you see, he is not asking x. You will not stop here. Yes, Rujita, right answer. So Tanish, again, you always miss the last step. He is not asking us. He is asking AB. Sides AB and AC. So AB will be 10 plus 4.5, 14.5. Okay, and similarly, he is asking AC 8 plus 4.5, 12.5. Okay, and please write the units also. Yes, Maya, good student. Okay. Tanisha, yeah, your answer is right. X value is 4.5, but he's asking A, B, and AC. You'll get it. Okay, students. So that was one question. Okay. Yeah, do the next question, student. For visually impaired, it is given. So you are more efficient now. We should all thank God for making us fully efficient in our body. So try to give this answer. A circle is inscribed in a right angle triangle. BC 7, AB is 24. Find the radius of the circle. Circle is inscribed with a right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. So you see, student, this is 2 marks. If you remember the formula, please give the right formula and you can apply the things. If you don't remember, again the procedure you should give it. Okay, right angle triangle at B. So this will be ABC, and he has given BC is 7, AB is 24. He is asking you radius. Radius he is asking. So let me draw the radius R. Yeah, this is what the question is asking R, student. Narendran, very good. You can use that. Harshini, right answer. Okay, for the students who don't remember the formula, you have a template with you. Always apply template. Soon I have drawn radius. You should draw like this, 90, 90, 90, 90. Rujita, no student. Think. Okay, if these three are 90, you should blindly say, sir, this fourth angle will be 90. So quadrilateral form. So see my template. Oh, where is my template? Yeah. Quadrilateral form. Okay, so quadrilateral form, you should check angle sum property or the properties at least you should check, student. So I'm able to see this all are 90 degrees, adjacent sides are same. So this is square. So if this is R, okay, this is R, this will be R. All the four sides will be R. Now Again 10.2. Sir, total is 7. This is R. This will be 7 minus R. This is R. This will be 24 minus R. If this is 24 minus R, this will be 24 minus R. If this is 7 minus R, this will be 7 minus R. Finish. 10.1, 10.2 I have applied. Narendran, right answer. Now, what should you do? Sir, I'm able to see a triangle. So, any property? Yes, it's a right angle triangle. What's the property? Pythagoras theorem is the only property of the right angle triangle. So, this is 24, this is 7. What will be hypotenuse? AC square equal to 24 square plus 7 square. 576 plus 49, I guess. 9, 6, 15. 8, 4, 12. 625 is AC square. What will be AC? Root of 625. That will be 25. That's all. 25. Now I am saying this is 25. I am saying this is 24 minus R plus 7 minus R. AC. 24 minus R plus 7 minus R equal to 25. That is nothing but 31 minus 2R equal to 25. So R equal to 31 minus 25 by 2, 6 by 2, 3 centimeters. Or the students who remember the formula R equal to A plus B minus C by 2. Direct formula. Yes, Rujita, it's radius 3, right? 3 centimeters.
Yes, sir. I forgot to do by 2.
By 2, okay. Please be patient enough. Yes, Maya, okay. So students, for 2 marks, you please write like this. As we know, nobody is stopping from where you know. Okay, as we know, you can start 2 marks. If it is for 3 marks, I would have done this procedure. Okay, it can't be for 5 marks. Huh? Okay, Tanish, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Tanish. Tanushri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so template, student, 10.1, 10.2 template is important. Okay, yeah, so student, this we have done. You see, that's the reason I'm saying. You see, this question I have not seen CBSE board sample paper, but still I have taken this question. Why? It's a most repeated question. Okay, this question, most repeated question. That's the reason I'm asking you. Don't overlook the repeated questions. Okay, and how did we do? So he's asking to prove. So don't do it. I'll just give it in 1 or 2 minutes. Angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. He's asking to prove this as 90 degrees. This fellow has 90 degrees is asking to prove. How did we prove? Yes, Narendran, how did we prove, student? Can you say it?
So we just have to prove congruency in those two triangles.
Yeah, how did you do that?
Sir, OQ is perpendicular to
So theorem 10.1 again the same story. So tangent and radius, tangent and radius, tangent and radius. That's all. Okay. Theorem 10.1. Theorem 10.2. Sir, from an external point AP equal to AC, from an external point BQ equal to BC. Theorem 10.2 finished. I'll take another color. Huh? I'll take something like yellow color. QB equal to QC. Finished. Okay, now sir, after writing that, what is my that? After doing this, any triangles are forming? Okay, so let me see. Yes, I'm able to see some triangles over here. 2 triangles. So whenever 2 triangles are there, what should I do? I should do congruency. Okay. So please do the congruency. How is the congruency? Sir, in these 2 triangles, OC equal to OP, both are radius, and AP equal to AC already proven, and I'm able to see OA equal to OA. That means all the sides are same. By yes, congruency. This fellow, both are congruent. If they are congruent, what is the advantage? Advantage is that if you are taking this as X, this fellow will also be X. Okay, finish. The same funda can be applied here. QB equal to BQ equal to BC. We have already taken OQ equal to OC. Both are radius. OB is common. That means they are congruent. That means if this fellow is Y, this fellow is Y. Now, in a straight line, the total angle should be 180 degrees. So X plus Y equal to 180 degrees. By this, you can just say X plus Y equal to 90. And that is what he asked us to prove. What did he ask to prove, student? X plus Y equal to 90. Yeah, go ahead. Narendran, X plus Y equal to 90. This angle he has asked to prove 90. And I have proved it. Yes, Narendra, go ahead. What's the doubt?
So if it comes to 2 marks, do we need to prove both the triangles or only
No, no,
one?
no. If 3 marks also, it is only one triangle. For 3 marks also, it is one triangle. Similarly, we can say OBC triangle, OQB triangle are congruent. So angle OCOB equal to angle QOB equal to Y. That much only you need to write. 3 marks also. 5 marks, it will not come. If at all it is coming for 5 marks, to make it lengthy, you do it. But if you are still finding the time less, time is not sufficient, again you write the same statement for that. Understood, Narendran?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so that was I just repeated the question because I don't want to overlook it. This may come again. Okay, this question also most repeated again. Two tangents P and PB. So Harshini will say me procedure. Two tangents. So there is a circle, two tangents. This is a point P. So this is one tangent. This is another tangent. P and PB are drawn to circle from center O. Center is here O from an external point through angle APB. So this is A, this is B. Angle APB. So this is theta I am taking equal to 2 times of angle OAB. Students, so OAB is given. As he has given OAB, I need to connect OAB. Okay. So I'll take it here. B, I'll take it here. So there is no reason to connect other than what he mentioned. As he is mentioning OAB, so I don't have choice. I need to connect OAB like this. Okay. Now he is asking you this particular angle, which is I'm taking something like yellow, red color. Let me take. Yeah, Harshini, how to start, student? I need to prove if this is 80, this is 40. That is what he asked. Angle APB is 2 times angle AOB. This one. Is Harshini there? Yeah,
Yes, sir, I'm this.
go ahead, but how to start?
Sir, first we start with theorem 10.1.
Very good. So theorem 10.1 applies, sir. Radius tangent. So this is 90 degree. So I'm able to see some red color angle is already there. I am taking some green color angle also. So I'll
Sir,
write the same thing. Yeah, go ahead, Harshini.
PA is equal to PB with theorem 10.2.
Very good. Okay. So theorem 10.1, angle OAP equal to 90 degrees. Theorem 10.1, angle OAP equal 90 degrees. What is angle OAP? Red color plus green color. What is red color? OAB. Angle OAB plus what is green color? I'm able to see green color is nothing but angle BAP. Angle BAP. You can add. So finished. I have just stopped it here. Okay. 10.1 apply. Stop it here. Okay. Yeah, now she's telling sir theorem 10.2. So PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Okay, so once I finish theorem 10.1, 10.2, any triangle is formed. Yes, I'm able to see some triangle is formed here. You see this triangle is formed, beta. Okay, if the triangle is formed, what is my trick? So any isosceles property, angle sum property like that. Let me check. Yes, if this is green color, this will also be green color. Why, sir? It's an isosceles triangle. This fellow is same. So this angle will also be same, student. Okay. So if this green color I'm taking X, this will also be green color. Now, once I finish this particular angle sum property, isosceles property, let me go to the angle sum property. So angle sum property is x plus theta, x plus theta equal to 180. But you see here green color, I am taking x, right? So let me write OAB plus x, the first one. So you see, student, I want x, so I'll take x from here. 2x plus theta equal to 180, x equal to 180 minus theta by 2, x equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Just substitute that x value here. Angle OAB plus, in place of x, 90 minus theta by 2, 90 minus theta by 2 equal to 90. 90 gets cancelled. So angle OAB equal to theta by 2. But what is theta? Angle APB. Angle APB. So angle OAB equal to angle APB by 2. What will be angle APB? 2 will go there 2 times angle OAB, and that is what he asks us to prove. Okay, so again I am saying, student, these questions are going to come. Okay. These questions are going to come. At least one question from this one, and the quadrilateral one. You see, you mark my words. From these three, one question will be there. Okay. So with that, we have completed CBSE paper. Let me see any other question. Aryan, father, train, solid, mode, survey, class teacher, group of X, group X. That's all. Okay. So with that, we have completed C. Okay. Now we'll be doing some good questions from the other papers also. Okay, student. Okay. Yeah, Avdan, how are you, student? Yeah, Avdan,
Good evening, sir.
what
How are
happened,
you?
student? Yeah, I'm fine. You're joining so late, Avdan. Very important sessions are.
Sir, I'm having like a few projects and those are like done today.
Okay.
So I'm gonna join on time from tomorrow.
Yeah, so the project you are doing, students, so you need to do in from 6 to 6:30 only. After my sessions also you can do. You need to submit either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please manage your
What, sir?
timing.
What should I submit?
You are saying some projects are there, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, okay.
So you can do it later, right? So my session is only 1.5 hours. Believe me, students, you are at one of the best place. Okay. So mark
Yes, sir.
my words. Yeah, some good questions from the other sample papers. Okay. So again, please follow the template. One more again clue, repeated clue I'm giving. Please follow the template. What is template? 10.1, 10.2. Any triangle, angle sum property, isosceles property, or congruency like that. Narendran, right answer. Sujita, you can ask me that current follow doubt again if you have student, okay? And you do first to second, you submit me after doing it, okay? Let me check again.
Yes, sir. I'll
Okay,
do
so
it after.
those questions that came for the last year, okay? So you can expect the power question may come this year again. Harshini, right answer. Tanish, very good student, right answer. Three questions are right, three answers are right. Maya, no calculation mistake, Maya. Whatever the question, first thing, theorem 10.1, radius, tangent. 10.2 not applicable here, there are no two tangents. After that, once I finish 10.1, 10.2, any triangle, if triangle, any property like this, yes, I am able to see triangle is formed, I can use angle sum property. This one I am taking y, this is triangle. So 90 plus 35 plus y equal to 180. What will get y, student? 180 minus 125. Y equal to 55. Yes, right answer, Ruchita. Y equal to 55. I'm able to see it's a straight line. Total angle should be 180 degrees. X plus y equal to 180 degrees. What will be x? 180 minus 55. That will be 125 degrees is the right answer. Okay, so use the template again. I'm repeating 10.1, 10.2. Entire story, student. Anushni, understood better?
Yes, I got the answer now.
Got the answer. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, do this question, student. So this is a good question, I guess. So some students know good theorems. I have seen in the last batch, one student was knowing all the theorems for class 8 and 9. As I have not taken tuition for class 8 and 9, I don't know any theorem. All the theorem I'm proving in the session only, then I am getting the answer. So some students who know the theorem, they can use those theorems for 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions. Understand the question first, student. Two circles. Harshini, very good student. Right answer. Okay, two circles. Two circles, radii 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter intersect each other. So, and the length of common chord, where I can draw the common chord, student? I can draw common chord only here. Let me use the green color. Only here I can draw common chord, 12 centimeters. Okay, so I'm using green so that green line means 12 centimeters. The distance between their centers. So he's asking the distance between the centers. So I'm assuming O is one center, P is one center. They're intersecting at A and B. Now he's asking OP, student. He's asking OP, and green color is 12 centimeters. Narendran, very good, Narendran. Very good to see few answers. Anyhow, whatever the question, you know where I'll start with. 10.1, tangent and radius. There is no tangent, my 10.1 failed. 10.2, there is not one tangent. How can two tangents come? 10.2 also failed. Now what is that I need to do? When they both, I am not able to see any triangle, any quadrilateral. Am I able to see? I am not able to see anything. What should I do? I should do the construction. Yeah, Tanish?
So can we join OA and OP?
Ah, that is what. Yes, I'm doing the same. I need to do extra constructions like choosing the radius, little constructions I need to choose. Okay, so let me join OA, OB, PA, PB. Okay, OA, OB, PA, PB. I have joined. Still, I'm not able to see any tangent, radius. Okay, so I did not get anything, but I finally found some. After construction, I am able to see some triangle. Okay. Yes, Harshini, how did you do after this, student? Let me know.
So the line OP is the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB.
Okay, so you see, student, the line joining two center, she is saying that's a perpendicular bisector to the chord. Absolutely fine. Then,
So now we can apply Pythagoras theorem and find the values.
okay, so you see, OA is 10 given, she has written 10, AP equal to 8 given 8. Now he's asking OP, so she is telling, sir, take some this as X. From here to here, you take X. From here to here, you take Y. This is what you are asking, student?
Yes, sir. And the chord is total 12, so it is divided into 6 and 6 because it's bisected.
Okay. Yeah, anybody, any doubt? Rujita, you're asking something? Somebody
No,
shouting? No, nothing? Yeah, so student, here you see there are many things. First of all, I'm not able to use this. Second, I try to just frame something like triangles, but still you see what Harshini said. I don't know that. I just know this one is, sir, I'm able to see if I join two circles that chord, definitely that I'm able to see. But if at all it is 90 degrees, who said this is 6, this is 6? I don't know that. So that may be something like, so Harshini, can't it be, so this is 90 degrees. So can't it be something like, okay, I'm saying okay equal to KP? Will it be like this? Okay equal to KP? That should also be bisected. Is it like that?
No, sir. Actually, it is a geometric property, sir.
Oh, okay. Yes. You're
The
right.
chord is
Absolutely.
bisected.
Yes. Very good. That property is absolutely right. Tanish, no. Rujita, right answer. Okay, so student, suppose I don't remember that property. So you see, some of the students are remembering the properties, geometry property. That's absolutely fine. For 1 mark, you need to remember it. Okay. But for suppose I have not remembered the property, how to proceed? Tanish, right? Yes, Narendran, Harshini, Rujita.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
sir, is it from like we have the radius 10 and 8, right? So the in the quadrilateral,
Oh,
so if we write all the sides, even this side,
Okay, I have written. Then,
So the adjacent sides are equal, so it's forming a rhombus.
oh, rhombus, yes, absolutely. Then,
The diagonals of the rhombus intersect each other, bisect each other.
bisect each other. Yes, then you see, then are these both same? That is what I'm asking. If the diagonals are bisecting each other, these two pieces also should be same, right?
So we can use congruency.
Ah, very good. Okay. You see, that's absolutely fine. What students remember, I'm happy with that. They're remembering some formulas, but you see, my particular template still not failing. Any triangle is formed, I'm able to see two triangles. Two triangles, up one triangle, down one triangle. If two triangles is formed, what is the best property out of these four? Isosceles, angle sum. Congruency is the best property. So let me use congruency to prove it. Okay. So let me use congruency to prove it, student. Okay. So I'll take something. So will OAP, triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Okay, this point is K. I'm assuming the center point. Okay. So in both these triangles, upper triangle, down triangle. So you can see, student, this fellow, both are same. This fellow are same. Two sides are same, and the center OP is same. So this side same, this side OP is same. So by SSS criteria, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. What does that mean? There, whatever the altitude is there, that will also be same only. That is the reason KA equal to KB. But he has given AB equal to 6, 12. So what will be KA? This will be 6. This will be 6. Okay, so let me take this triangle outside now. So in order to avoid confusion, so there is a big triangle. In the triangle, I have got this particular fellow as 6. This is 10. This is 8. 10 and 8 given. Now he's asking OP. You know it. Sir, this is 90 degrees. So right angle triangle. So if you are taking this as x square plus 6 square equal to 10 square, x square equal to 100 minus 36, x square equal to 64, x equal to 8. So this is 8. Now in this triangle, 6 and 8, I am assuming this as y, 6 square plus y square equal to 8 square, y square equal to 64 minus 36, y square equal to 28, y equal to 7 root 2, 7 root 2. No, not 7, 2 root 7, yeah, 2 root 7. 7 4 is 28, right? 2 root 7. 2 root 7. So now if you're asking OP, it is 8 plus 2 root 7. Okay. So what Harshini said is absolutely right, but I still doubt that particular theorem because she said absolutely right. I'm able to see it's a rhombus forming. In the rhombus, diagonals should bisect each other, but I'm not getting these two sides equal. Yes, Harshini, anything to add?
So actually the property is for the chord. This is the proof of that property.
This is a proof of the property. Yes, so that's the reason
Yes, so the
I
chord
don't.
is bisected.
Yeah.
Perpendicular from the center bisects the
Yes,
chord.
exactly. The chord is bisected if at all there is a perpendicular crossing it. Okay. So I don't remember the property. So I just use this congruency and finally proved it. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So student, this is one marker. I don't know how did we do. Yeah, he did the same way. M is a he already choose it is bisecting because he know the property, I guess. Okay, but I don't know, so I have just proved it. Yes, next question on the screen. Try to do. Don't get afraid. Please use the particular template. And if you are done, please type done in the chat box. Very good, Narendran. This is a proof of the property. Yes, that's a proof actually. I don't remember that particular property, so I just proved it. I think that's is that the question from NCRT? Okay, very good. Yes, Maya will help me now. This question. Harshini, very good. Yes, Maya, how to start better?
There is a radius is not given, we'll go with the 10.
Very good. Okay, absolutely fine. So I'm able to see AE equal to EC. Same color I'm using 10.2 and ED equal to EB. Okay, theorem 10.2. I have applied. Okay. No, I don't see any triangles, nothing I can see. But whenever proof is given, we always start with one side, right? Let me go with left hand side, sure. AB. Tanushri, what is AB according to the diagram? What is AB according to the diagram? How can you divide AB?
It's a tangent.
That's fine. But by looking AB, how can you say what AB compromise of what and what color, student?
Black and red.
Black and red. Okay, so AE plus EB. AB is nothing but AE plus EB. AE plus EB. But you can see AE equal to EC. Just now we have proved. And EB equal to ED. Just now we have proved. So again, Tanushri, you can see EC plus ED. क्या है बेटा? CD. That's all. CD. And that is what you are. So I have started with AB. I have started with AB. And I got C. Yes, Maya, right answer. Avdan, are you following, student Avdan? Are you able to?
Yes.
Very good, Avdan. Okay, students. So that's just a 10.2, nothing more than that. That's the reason I said most of the questions start with 10.1, end with 10.2. So don't jump. Yeah, the next question on the screen. Try to draw the diagram first, students. Oh, very good, Rujuga. From external point P, tangent PT. So they at a circle. So they issue the circle from an external point P. There is a tangent PT. Okay, a line segment, student. So student, you all know what is line segment. Line segment is nothing but starting at P, ending at B. It's drawn to the circle, and it's a drawn to the circle means it should be ending on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so let me draw like this. A, B with center O. This is center, and ON is perpendicular to the chord AB. So ON is perpendicular to chord AB. Prove that PA into PB, PN square minus. Okay, so please go only for one by one. Huh? Very good, Harshit. Super. Okay, so student, this is what the key is given. So cross check the language. Yeah, very good, Narendra. I'm able to see many answers here. Okay, so this is what the diagram is given. So after this, what you need to do? We need to apply 10.1, 10.2. 10.1. So he did not spoke about the radius, student. So I did not join radius. Okay, let me. 10.1 is not there here. 10.2, two tangents should be drawn, but only one tangent, another is the secant. So 10.2 also not applicable here. Till now, till now. I may construct the things. Okay. Harshini, very good. Tanish.
So can we take PT and PA?
PT is a tangent. PA is not a tangent. You can't take PT equal to PA. No. So if at all PA is like this, A is here, then that is right. Okay, students. So till here is fine. Yes, Rujita, go ahead, student. How will you start?
So first I joined OT. I
What do you?
constructed a
OT you want to join? So okay, so students, so she's saying the 10.1, 10.1 are there. I want some triangle extra construction she want to do. So she said she has joined OT. Okay, I have joined OT. So once joined means radius and tangent 90 degrees came. Okay, better then.
And then I joined OA also.
OA also. Why? Why will you join OA? I want to prove only this. So can you see any OA here? And in fact,
Okay,
speaking,
okay.
OT also not required. You see, student, you need to join when something that parameter is there. You see, if at all, here OT is there, then I would have gone with your answer. Sir, OT I need to join because he's asking some OT. But here there is no OT.
Okay, so then for the first one, we can like I worked on the left hand side.
Okay, left PA into PB.
Yeah, P into PB. So
Okay.
P can be written as Pn minus An.
PA is written as PN minus AN. Okay.
And same for like PB, we can write Pn plus Bn, the
PN
opposite.
plus NB.
Yeah, Bn,
Ah,
yeah.
okay, right.
So it's like algebraic identity, A plus B into A minus B. So Pn
Ah,
square
but this
minus.
is not A minus B to A plus B, right? This is PN minus AN. This is PN plus NB. There is
Sir,
no
yeah, I forgot one step. An
ah.
is equal to Bn, right?
Why?
Because ON is perpendicular to AB.
Okay. So ON is perpendicular. So you want to say, you see, student, ON is perpendicular means left hand side, right hand side should be same. You see, PN equal to NB, that is.
No, sir, An is equal to NB, right?
Acha, so you want to choose only the chord one. Okay. AN equal to NB.
Yeah, reading drawn on the chord is.
Yes, yes. Right answer. So, student, what she said is also right, but let me go with very easy way. Okay. I'll not remember the things like that, but let me see whether I'm able to do it in much simpler way. If at all, you see this question she has practiced, I'm sure that she has done very well because she's practicing complex topics. Okay. But if at all such question comes in your exam, which you have not at all seen, how will you start? Construction part, by reading this, I have understood. Now, whenever I see this, something like proof, I just remember my trigonometry proof problems. Okay. Yes, Narendran, in trigonometry proof problems, when left hand side equal right hand side, what is the first step, student?
So simplify one side.
Huh?
So simplify one side.
Simplify one.
One side, sir.
One side. Very good, student. So how will you simplify? Which way you start? Complex or easy?
So complex.
Yes. So student, that is what I said in trigonometry. Whenever proof problem is there, start with the complex side. Okay, Maya, very good student. So start with, so I'm able to see this is somewhat complex. So let me start with this side. Pn square minus an square. Students, I have not at all connected anything. I'll only connect the thing if I require it. You see, Pn, it is already connected. An connected. Pa connected. Pb connected. So why extra construction when everything is already connected in the given statement? Okay, so I have started with the right hand side, Pn square. Now I am able to see, sir, what is Pn according to geometry? Pa plus An. In place of Pn, I'll write Pa plus An whole square is there. Minus An square, I'll write the same. Why? Because I'm able to see An here. Sir, I'll write the same so that if you extend A plus B whole square, this will get cancelled. So A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus An square minus An square. Now you see, student, already I got the answer, something like Pa square plus 2PAAN. Okay. Now, student, that is fine. But can I proceed further? PA is here, AN is here. So, yes, so I'm not able to proceed. Yes, Maya, if at all I'm not able to proceed by starting from one side, what will I do better? In the
The others.
trigonometry? Very good. In trigonometry, I have said the same thing. Whenever I got something stuck or my mind is not working, you may get extra idea. But now my mind is not working. I'm stuck at this point. I'll start with the other side. PA into PB. I'll also prove this value as here. Then also my proof is right. PA into B. What is PA? PA is PA only. What is PB? PB is nothing but PA plus AN plus NB. So PB is nothing but PA plus AN plus NB. Now let me multiply the PA into PA, PA square, PA into AN, PA into AN, PA into NB, PA into NB. Okay, so now let me see whether I'm reaching the point. PA square first term is already matched. I'm half happy. PA into AN, PA into AN. Okay, this is also I'm happy. Some 2 times is there, I got 1 time. What does that mean? If at all, if I prove this PA into NB as PA into AN, they both get added and I'll get the same. Now let me check. Okay, so PA is already there, AN and NB. Now you see student, okay, AN is here, NB is here. I need to prove both of them equal. How will I prove? Now I will join something like, sir, I'll try to join these both. I'll try to join they both. Extra construction is required here because I want to prove NB equal to AN so that they both get added and I'll get 2 into PN. So now you see student, this is R, they both are same, both are radius only. Okay, this is a common side and this is 90 degrees. So RHS criteria, they both are same. That clearly shows AN equal to NB. Now in place of NB, I'll write AN. PA in place of NB, I'll write AN. That's all student. PA by AN, PAN. That will be PA square plus 2PAN. Arshini, did you do this way or the one other way what Rajita is saying? That is also fine. That is absolutely fine.
Sir, PN square minus AN square, I took that, but I wrote that as PN plus AN into PN minus AN.
Okay.
From there, directly the third step was the answer.
Okay, right answer. Okay, wonderful student. So that is what I'm saying. So if you are practicing such questions, you will get the answers. You will remember that way also. That is why. But you see, I have not practiced, so I have done in a general way. Okay, that's absolutely fine. So I'm happy that many students have practiced these complex problems. Okay, good. Okay, second one. So Narendran, please help me with the second one. How did you do? So I'll just construct the things which I have already constructed for the first question. Huh? Okay, so AN, oh, this one I have constructed. Yeah. Next, Narendran, what did you do for the second part?
Sir, I joined OP, sir.
Now you see, sir, OP is there. Definitely you should join OP. OT is there. Definitely you should draw OT. Now once OT is drawn, soon you write 90 degrees. Theorem 10.1. Then Narendran.
So then I applied Pythagoras theorem in PO and RAM.
Very good. You see some OP square is there. OP square, this only comes by the Pythagoras theorem because right angle triangle is saying. So in this triangle OPT, right angle triangle, so OP square, hypotenuse square equal to OT square plus TP square. Yes, student? Neither? You're saying something?
Sir, I said PON.
Achha, so you want to change the triangle? Okay, so 1 second, student. You want to change the triangle? Triangle PON, okay, OPN or PON. Okay, then OP square equal, you see, this is also right angle triangle. Huh? OP square equal to PN square plus ON square. Then, student?
So then you transfer that ON square to the other side.
Okay, so you see, ON square is asking you to transfer. So OP square minus ON square equal to PN square. Then?
So then you subtract AN square both the sides.
Okay, so he's able to see, sir, Pn square I already got. Pn square is there, minus An square is there. So let me subtract minus An square here, minus An square here. Okay, so one side I already got, student, Pn square minus An square. This one?
So then you write OP square.
OP square.
Then you take minus common. Then you write ON square plus AN square.
Okay.
And this is the triangle OAN.
Very good, absolutely right. OP square, ON square plus An square is OA square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely fine. Wonderful, student. Okay. So OP square. So he's able to see, sir, ON square plus AN square is OA square. Again, this is a right angle triangle. OA square equal to one side I already got. So OP square minus OA square, but OA equal to OT. Both are radius. And finally, he has proved OP square minus OA square means OT square equal to PN square minus A. Okay, absolutely fine. Student. This is what the method is required. You see, I am not thinking about this diagram. I am only algebraically checking everything. Okay, sir. I got something like that. So some minus AN square is there. I'll minus AN square on both sides. Okay. So there are many ways to do it. What Harshini and Rujita are doing, that is also absolutely fine. But you see, this particular pattern, what Narendra has done, you will get answer for any question, such type of question. Any question, you'll get the answer. Because he's just algebraically checking, okay, sir, he's the n is there, I'll minus an on both sides. Okay. That's good, sure. So I'm sure that this third one is much easier. You'll get it in an easy way. Okay. Let's go to another question. So students, so I'm taking only tough questions, sir. Complex question where my requirement is there. There are many questions here. So I'm asking you to do these questions also. Okay. Yeah, Tanish? Tanish, yes? You're saying something?
So can I go back to the previous slide? Take this one, sir.
Okay, okay. OP square minus OT square equal to PN square minus AN square. Okay, so students, so after today I'll be sending this sample paper. After this session, at least you try for 4 or 5 questions and leave it. Okay, and again before the exam, when you just want the confidence, do only 2 questions on this sample paper. Okay, if you are able to do those 2 questions, you will be able to do the final board paper also. Have that confidence in you.
Sir, could you explain again?
This one, student.
Yes, sir. Like, yeah.
Okay, so you see, student, he has seen that, sir, some OP square I need to bring in the channel. So OP square is this beta. So to bring this channel, he is able to see this this right angle triangle. So that's he just started with there. Sir, OP square equal to PN square plus ON square. Okay. Now he is able to see. He just transferred ON square on the other side. ON square on the other side because he is able to see only PN square is only here. He want to prove PN square minus AN square. Some extra thing is there. So he just transferred this on the other side. Now he is happy that only PN square is there here. Now, but the question is PN square minus AN square. So he has subtracted AN square on both sides. Okay. Now he is happy that one side he already got, but here some things are to be sure. OP square is already got, but only this he need to be filtered out as OT. For that he has clubbed both the things. Now by looking the geometry again, he is able to see, sir, this is nothing but again hypotenuse. ON square plus AN square is OA square. But again he cross checks, sir, I want OT. He checked that OA equal to OT, both are radius. So in place of OP, he has transferred OT.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
I think this you can do, should not required, not required. I'll be doing only the question which this many times we have done. Huh? Yes, students. So this you see. Narendran.
So what does concyclic mean?
That is what I'm asking you. Anybody? Cocyclic, concyclic, right? Achha, concyclic. I saw cocyclic. Yes, Harshini, what does that mean, student?
Sir, I think the opposite side should be 180.
Yes, okay, supplementary angles, that's all, okay. So students, you can see in the given figure, PA and PB are the tangents with center O and show that A, O, B, P are cocyclic. Actually, cocyclic means if at all I draw a circle, all the points should lie on that circle. That is cocyclic, okay. But we can't use geometry here, so we'll be using some angle sum property. So what is angle sum? According to this angle sum property, sum of opposite angles should be 180 degrees. This is another way to explain, another way to prove. Yes, Narendra?
So that's cyclic, so.
Co-cyclic, right?
So cyclic is inside the circle.
So concyclic also, I think all the points on a cycle, on a circle means concyclic, I guess, student. I need to
Sir,
check.
concyclic is like all the points lie in the same circle.
That is what I said. If I draw a circle, something like this, so it's all the points should be lying on the circle. That is what I said.
So then why should we prove like opposite angles are 180?
Yeah, you see, that is geometry. I think in the geometry, if you take any figure such that it is lying in the circle, that quadrilateral automatically sum of angles will be 180 degrees. So that is proven. Okay, this
Oh.
word has some meaning. Okay. Yeah, so student, whatever the question, how will you start? 10.1, 10.2. So 10.1, this one, 10.2, this one, finish. I said some of the opposite angles should be used. You see, A and B, opposite angles in a quadrilateral. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी कितना होगा बेटा 90 प्लस 90 180 ओके what about this angle and this angle angle O plus angle P angle O plus angle P equal to 360 minus 180 again 180 why sir why 360 minus in a quadrilateral all the sum of all the angles is 360 right that's all finished 2 points Harshini
So concyclic means all the points should lie on the circumference of the circle.
yeah I think it's the same student
But then the P doesn't lie on the circle, right?
this not this circle student there might be another circle like this
So
okay
then what's cyclic?
what is cyclic
Sir,
oh
cyclic is that opposite angles are equal to 180, the sum of the opposite angles. That is cyclic.
okay.
So concyclic means they're on the same circle. We have to prove that.
So they can't be on the same circle, right? You see, P is lying outside.
So I think
Yes,
it's
yes.
opposite.
Its opposite means?
So concyclic means that angles should be 180.
Yeah, that property I have already written. I'll check it. What is geometrically, I'll check it. But algebraically, some of the angles should be 180 degrees. I'll just check concyclic. I just read cyclic, I guess, actually.
Sir, I
just
think
check.
the questions were supposed to be cyclic.
Cyclic, yeah, even I feel so, but I'll still check it. Tanushri, did you understand better this one? Why 180, 180?
Can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah, you see, this is theorem 10.1, right? So this angle, total 90 plus 90, 180. But again, in the quadrilateral, the total sum should be 360, right? So O plus P plus A plus B equal to 360. But these both already got 180. So I just substituted them. Or else I'll just repeat one. Angle O, I should not write angle O and angle P, but for easiness, I'm writing like this. Angle A plus angle B equal 360. But angle A plus angle B already I got 180. So I'll erase these two and I'll write 180 over here. And 180 will go there. So I'll again erase this. 360 minus 180 is again 180. So that is what sum of opposite angle 180 I need to prove. I proved these both are angles are 180 and I proved these both angles are 180. Okay. I'll just check this word. I'll just check this. Yeah. Not required. We'll go for this. Yes, do this student. Not required. So this little trigonometry added. Nothing more than that. This one direct formula a plus b minus c by 2. Not required. You see, there is a one question which is that particular repeated question that loss. What is that loss, student? Forgot the name. S into root of s into s minus a to s minus. What is this name?
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula. Yeah. Same question. He is not at all changing these numbers also. Okay. Many times it came. And Harshini know the answer also. What is the answer, Harshini?
Sir, I think 14.
Huh?
14, I think.
14. I think there are 13 and 15. Huh? Let me check. Ah, 13 and 15.
13.
Yeah, they are not changing the answers also, numbers also, student. Please go through this thing. Okay. So which I have repeated many 2-3 times in the revision. You know it. Okay, students, I think we can stop it here. Okay. We can stop it here and please go through some of the questions if you still want to have confidence. Okay. So next session we are starting areas of triangle. So I'll give a quick revision of half an hour. All very easy chapter, areas of circles. Okay, 5-mark question, 5-mark question, 1 MCQ. So you can get around 6 marks on the particular chapter. Okay. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, Harshini.